If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking another, I tell you that. How I go from changing my brake pads to gotta change the calibers to now I need a damn battery. Old battery, new battery, chat. And the bullshit is, I gotta go all the way downstairs just to return the old one, because you can't do this shit at the fucking register. We'll be back. Hey, look at Dr. Pusso. Where y'all go, boy? Yeah, look. I done ran down on y'all niggas and y'all ain't even see. Look, I would've caught y'all slipping. Alright, now we know. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ain't That Job. That got a job, must be job. Yo, shut your blood clot. Back with another banger video. You know, today we got the battery replacement on the motherfucking 2012 Ford Escape. You know, oh shit! I ain't even let you look. This is how a mechanic's supposed to look with his safety precautions on, with his gloves, with his glasses, and his bump cap. You know, if your mechanic not moving like that, you know, he a sucker, he a bozo, he a loser. You know, but you know, I'm moving more like this. Fuck, we need some gloves for it, bro, and glasses and goggles. I get this job done without any safety precautions, you know? It ain't the right way to do, but, you know, that's how we move. Let's go, come on. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, though. I kind of fuck with the gloves, though. I ain't gonna lie. I be busting the fuck out of my knuckles trying to twist out these fucking bolts and shit. This is valid. And I can fake use them for a workout or something like that, you know? Like, you know, fucking, come on. 60 instantly, you feel me? That's all I need. It's the battery right there. I'm gonna clear out all that bullshit that has dirt and everything that hold on the container that holds the battery. I'm gonna put it in there, start this bitch up. That's the least of my problems. I gotta get my calibers down. That's the most I can do. I got most of it out. But let me show y'all. All you gotta do, drop the battery right in place. Pull off the caps, positive and negative caps. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the time before I started too. Hold on. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm playing right now. I got the old head mix going on. Bro, I can't unlock it. Oh, well, 5:57, you already see. Hold on. Look, got that in. All you gotta do, get the terminals down on there. The terminals go down like that. Other terminal, you see it's already giving sparks, so that's how you know it was the battery. I swear to God, bro, I went to go turn the damn car on and to turn the wheel so I could fix the caliber, and shit would not turn on. I'm gonna get the rest screwed down and then, bro, oh my fuck. After that, get the bracket holder back down on there. These are, I think 10 millimeter. Yeah, 10, because I got the 10 wrench. I went to AutoZone and bought some new tools too. Bro, please, calm down, bro. Trying to get everything screwed down with my hands first, so it don't take too long. I think we only 5 minutes in right now. It's only because I was bullshitting too. If I had all the tools sitting around, I've been had the shit done. I took the battery out yesterday. That shit didn't take too long. All right, but look, as y'all can see, I hate recording like this. Got the thing down. I'm gonna tighten it all the way down so it stays, so the battery doesn't move. Got the terminals almost all the way pushed down, and we're gonna tighten those up, and then we all done, and then we just start the car up. Hold on. I think I can just use this wrench, but I want to use my new tools. I'm gonna show you my new tools. Please, be quiet, bro. Please, bro. I'm doing a video, bro. She just brought her dog here to be mad fucking annoying, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I got a long socket. Bought it at AutoZone. This already had, I don't know why I did that. I don't even know why I'm showing. It was 2 other tools that I bought. Because I tried to get the other caliber on. Like, you don't even live here, bro. I just ruined my whole video, bro. Alright, then to get the terminals tightened down, it's 8mm. You see right? Can you see it? Yeah, I can see it. Make sure your terminals all the way settled down. So look, as you can see, it's all tightened down, clamped on. I'm gonna tighten that one down a little bit more too, and then we're gonna start this bitch up. All right, no. Almost dropped that shit down the car. All right, we all good, all set. See, all we had to use was a wrench. I didn't even need the extension, but then we got an 8mm socket, then a 10mm socket. Let's start this car up and see if we good. I ain't gonna lie, it should. Yeah, I'm about to say, the lock buttons wasn't working before, so that's how I know we good now. We got full power. See, look, I got fucking jump packs. Mom, don't kill me. I stole the jump pack from the crib. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. My baby is back running. You don't know how pissed off I was when I motherfucking went to fucking change the caliber out yesterday. And the motherfucking car just stopped running. I'm like, yo, hold on, I gotta buy a battery too. But I mean, I already replaced the alternator the one time, so I guess the battery was gonna go quick. Probably starter gonna be next. What's your boy? Man, I'm fucking sweating it hot. Ain't that JAH? That gotta be JAH. Must be JAH. I'm out.